So I'm going to air down. So this is an Ironman air pressure gauge, and I don't like these gauges. They never give you a correct pressure measurements. I mean the pressure. And this is the Jacko. Is the same thing. It's a piece of crap. So I never trust on these ones. So I'm taking the air out and to test the Ironman 4x4 Air Compressor Pro. I rely on this $3 $4 gauge, and this gauge is a perfect whatever measurement, whatever a psi pressure numbers I receive on this one is actually matches to the built-in car pressure monitoring system. So I get the same one. So now it's showing pressure is down up to 20. So wow, that's good. I'm getting here 21. So this is first time the information is 100% correct. So now I'm going to test this Ironman 4x4 Air Compressor Pro. So actually this is the same kind that built by Smithy Bit or something like that company. Ironman sell on $200 and now is on sale $150. And I saw on Alibaba and other websites they are selling the same brand. So I think they buy from China and label them, and the label for them is the same thing that you can get on Alibaba or AliExpress. Comes with this all things, and I think this compressor does not have an auto shut off. So let me connect with the engine and I will fill it up, the tire pressure, how long it will take. So it's actually a 45 ampere. My car engine is off, and let's see it's gonna work or no. It's 100% of battery. This is pretty strong too. Push it there like that, right? And now I will connect this one. Now it's locked here. Wow, I'm getting kind of 20 air pressure as well. So wow, okay. I want to actually fill up to 32 33 psi. So right now it's 20. Alright, let's see how much we got. The gauge is showing, I have no clue. I think it's 10, 10, 5, 10, 31 something. Let me fill it. It's cold today and my hands are freezing. So this does not have a auto pressure off. Let me try. For the safety, the air is coming out. This does not have automatic pressure off, like turn off, like ARB offers. So let's see how much I got. Super cold today. Wow. Oh, I got 36. So yeah, it works. And my engine is off. So this is the review of Ironman. So it's a Smitty build. These one and Chinese one is, I think, is the same brand, and it's cold. It actually works. It's pretty good. So what I will do, I will have a next project. I will change these all the knobs. Put a pressure gauge over here. I saw online people are doing it. I will put an automatic shut off switch over here, and I will put another thing, because this cable, I don't think so these things will work longer, and it's back and forth, coming back and forth, because if I want to fill up on the rear tire, I have to come over here to shut it off. So that's gonna be very painful. So I want to put an automatic shut off button or switch over here. Thank you so much. That's the review of Ironman.